Hello guys and girls, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this store right here step by step. So I pretty much just got basic hoodies, the aisles. This is how the aisles look. I can show you how to make all of this. Nothing too fancy, just the aisles. And then you go to home, you have the catalog, you have the terms of service, contact information, refund policies. And then here you have obviously the sections to where you can choose something you would want. Yeah, so the way I had did this, the way I was able to create this store, you guys, and the way I was able to get 1,100 views and 2 sales within, like, I know it says over here that that's when I started, but I only started on the 1st of February right here, and then I started going from here forward. I don't know what this is, but this is how I got my first 1,000 sales, and this is how I did all this stuff. What I had did, you guys, was hold on, let me put this back. I went to my online store. The first thing I had did was I noticed that these templates down here suck, because this is what I had originally started off with. I originally started off like this, but the only problem with this is the background it has too many colors in it. So say if you're in my store and you don't like these colors, that's just gonna make you not want to shop here. And two, it was because it had no sections. Like when you just click around, there's no sections. Versus when you go to this one, there's multiple sections. There's this and there's that. This one's there's nothing. So I had moved back from that. First thing I had did was I went over to products, and then after I found all my products that I want, I started creating collections. I use collections to making the sales way easier. And when you have the collections, it really helps out your store a lot, because you could just easily do this. Like, for example, you create a collection, and to create a collection, you will want to do this. Go to customize. After you created the collection, you'll want to do this. So boom, save none of these right here, and you just want to create a fresh one. Let me delete these. Delete, 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 delete. So you will only have this section right here. To spawn in the section, you will want to click add section. Now you have featured collections, and you have featured products, and you have featured collection lists. I'm going to show you the difference between feature collection list, and I'm going to show you the difference between, what is this? Your collection, wait. Yeah, this is it right here. So look. Boom. Oh, wait. Oh, I have too many collections. I need to delete one. Alright. So right here, you have the collections. This is the same thing right here. So I could delete this one. You're going to want to get, and you have featured product. This is the collection. So when you click on the collection, you can click on it right here on the sidebar, and right here you click on it. Say if I want to sell beanies in this collection, you want to make sure you click save, and say in this selection I want to sell sweatshirts. So that's like that. But when you go to feature collection like this on your store, and you click select collection, say if I want to sell pants in this collection, it's going to create a whole row for pants, and then you would just want to change the background like this. Something to make it whatever your color theme is in your store. So what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to set up your store. Setting up your store is the number one thing, because number one, what you want to buy from your store, that's number one. Number two, Are your products good? Okay.